Good morning. So today we are going to learn about atoms. So let us move into the topic. So first let us see what is an atom. An atom is a basic unit or the fundamental unit out of which every state of matter is made of. So if you take a living thing or a non-living thing, whatever it may be, it is made up of a atom. So like as I already told you, you are made up of different types of atoms. So hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, calcium, oxygen, phosphorus, these are all elements that are made up. These are all the atoms of various elements, right? Okay. Now if you see a hydrogen, it has one proton in the center and one electron which is revolving around it. If you take a carbon, carbon has 6 protons in the center, 6 neutrons around it, along with it, and 6 electrons which are moving around in the orbitals. Now, hydrogen is the only atom which doesn't have any neutron. Similarly, the case of nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen has 7 protons and 7 electrons, and oxygen has 8 protons and 8 electrons. Now, in the later sections, I'll tell you about how the number of protons and the atomic numbers are related with each other. Now, if you take the atom, now let us differentiate between atoms and molecules. Now, this is atom of an element, which is a single unit you can see in this picture. Whereas if you see a molecule, molecules are made up of a cluster of atoms, like as you can see in this picture. So, these are all both same colored molecules. It means that they both are made up of same kind of atom. If you move on to this picture, you can see different colors of atoms joined together which forms a compound. So they are not made up of similar atoms, rather they are made up of different kind of atoms. Now the atoms, as I already told you, the atom is divisible into subatomic particles, electrons, protons and neutrons. So an atom has an electron which is negatively charged, a proton which is positively charged and a neutron which has no charge. Now electrons and protons have the same, the number of electrons and protons are same in an atom, but their charges are different. Due to this, an atom is always electrically neutral. Now moving into the atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. So as in the previous section I told you the relationship between protons and atomic number. So we can say that the number of protons that are present in the nucleus is the atomic number of that atom. Also we can say that in an atom, since the number of protons and electrons are same, so the number of electrons in an atom also means its atomic number. Now the mass number. Mass number determines the mass of an atom. Now the atom being so small, you can't measure its mass. But even though the mass number, we define it as the total number of neutrons and protons present inside the nucleus of an atom.